Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about a new technology that has the potential to change the way we think about speech synthesis, Microsoft's VALL-E. VALL-E is an artificial intelligence model that can simulate human voices by analyzing a recorded 3-second audio sample. Once it has learned a specific voice, it can then synthesize that voice and even reproduce the emotional tone of the speaker.
Indian tribes have generally regarded the religion of the Latter-day Saints. The army found the people in poverty and left them in comparative wealth.
Meeting at all, I like best to sit in the quiet. Why should I rest and be stupid and sit in an action because I am a girl?
But Microsoft hasn't released the VALL-E code for public use yet, so we can't test its functionality. They've referred to VALL-E as a neural codec language model, based on a technology called encodes that was announced by Meta in October 2022. Unlike traditional speech synthesis methods that manipulate waveforms, VALL-E generates separate speech codec codes from text and audio prompts. VALL-E's speech synthesis function was trained using a speech library called LibraLite, which contains 60,000 hours of English audio from over 7,000 speakers. The more data VALL-E has, the better it will perform. Microsoft has provided numerous voice samples of the AI model on its VALL-E sample site, and some of the results sound like human voices. In addition to reproducing the timbre and emotional expressions of a speaker's voice, VALL-E can also mimic the acoustic environment of a sample voice. For example, if the sampled voice is from a phone call, the synthesized voice output will simulate the acoustic and frequency of the phone, creating the sound as if you were speaking through receiver. But there is a concern about the potential misuse of this technology. VALL-E could be used to create deep fakes or impersonate someone's voice maliciously. For example, someone could use VALL-E to create a voice recording that appears to be from a celebrity, politician, or another public figure, to spread disinformation or to cause confusion. To mitigate this risk, Microsoft plans to build a detection model to determine if an audio clip was synthesized with VALL-E and will follow the Microsoft AI principles as it evolves. Despite its impressive capabilities, VALL-E and other similar technologies will likely continue to raise ethical and legal questions as they become more widespread. As with any new technology, it will be critical to weigh the dangers and advantages and develop suitable norms and laws to guarantee that these tools are utilized appropriately. So, what are your thoughts on VALL-E? Do you see the potential for this technology to revolutionize speech synthesis, or do you have concerns about its potential misuse? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more technology updates and news.